Hello, hello. Good morning, pineapples. I'm looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapples. I have my piece of... It's fine, honestly. Good morning, pineapples. Everyone's been gambling all night. Good morning, pineapples. About to get clapped for a third time. Good morning, pineapples. Good morning, chat. How we doing? How are we doing, chat? We got Slick Block in the house. Marcus in the house. Mr. Grand Rising Tony. K-Boot. Xander. Sagar. What it do, Sagar? I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but yesterday we got to fully fund another one of our viewers. How you doing, brother? I'm doing good. That'd be 3 accounts passed in basically a span of 2 weeks. Still waking up. I'm still waking up. I went outside to walk my dog, and it's fucking freezing outside. Let me tell you that. It's fucking freezing outside. No exaggerations. It's just cold as balls. I don't even know from where that cold came from. All right, what else did I need to do? Let's open up the new account that we're going to be trading. For those who are not in the Discord, pretty sure mostly everybody here is in the Discord, and they saw the Discord announcements. I talked to Raul and I was like, look, bro, I've been doing this challenge pass series, bro. You got to hook it up so I can fucking not have to buy an account. And he was like, all right, bro, I got you. I'll throw you an account. That's the long story short of the situation. And yeah, so he gave me an account already. Cold front, Atlanta too. Bruh, this is Florida. I didn't even know that was supposed to happen here. Yo, it's fucking freezing. I'm serious, bruh. And I lost you in your wedding room after sleeping there for a week or 2. It's cold in Baltimore also, bro. I'm talking about cold, bro. Like, damn, dude. Who's been in gold longs the whole time? I know Martin Seal's been in gold longs. I feel like fucking Slick Block have been in gold longs. All right, chat, we got our new challenge right here, 50K account. You guys know how this goes. Our series is going to consist of us taking 1 trade a day. We're going to be risking 1% a day. We're going to be targeting about 1 to 2% a day. We can't make more than 40% of the profit target. There's a 40% rule. Boys, we're here. This is time. This is the moment what we've been waiting for. Another challenge. This is the challenge. I don't want to click on anything because I'm going to fucking expose the details. Credentials, details. Let's see. Right here. This is what we're going to be looking at nowadays. We got 999 days. We have to make, risk reward, account equity, blah, 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 blah. Minimum trading days is 1. That's awesome. Profit target is 5,000. Max rule is 45%. We can't make 45% of the profit target in 1 day. Initial raising limit. So for the first trade, we're going to go for $500. Simple. Very simple process, boys. For those who are following along, make sure you guys know that this is going to be a patient game. This isn't a just take trades and pass and get rich quick. This is more of a, be a part of the process, see that there's a process, and there is funding pips. We could pull out the funding pips account as well. I just figured that trading the challenge was something that I was a little bit more inclined to, I don't know, just kept us on our toes doing something. I don't know, when I had the stream with the live account, it kind of just felt like, what do we do now? I don't know. I feel like the challenge pass is what we wanted. Yeah, we just got a freeze warning in Texas. Challenge is better. I agree. I don't know why when it was during the challenge, like I felt like there was actually I don't know. I like the dynamic of it. It helps people come back consistently, and I just like the whole process of me passing the challenge in front of people. This would be about the 4th challenge I passed in front of everybody. I actually have had 4 challenges. None of them have failed on live stream. None of them. From 2 years ago when I passed the first challenge on live stream, I did another one. I did another one. Actually, this is 5 because then I've done 3. This was the 4th, and this will be the 5th. I'm going to join along this one. That's exactly the point of what I wanted it to do. I mean, you guys already saw the dynamic of how we worked last time. Now, there was very few days that we actually didn't take a trade, but there was days that we didn't take a trade. So, I mean, if you guys are getting a new account, just make sure that you guys know that this is an account that you guys are going to be touching 24/7. It's going to be an account. Whenever we're on live stream, we're touching it together. Make sense? No Diddy. That sounded really Diddy, you know. So we have no more CPI. We have no more. Today's Wednesday. We have no more news. Let's go double check Forex Factory real quick. All right, we're out of the news. We don't got anything major volatility wise to worry about. I mean, so now we start breaking down charts, and I mean, when we're looking at golds, I mean, we see clearly that gold is on a run, right? We had a huge retracement on gold. And then that huge retracement got completely recovered. This was a huge liquidity grab, right? Direction looks pretty bullish. And then we're back at this level of resistance, right? Before we melted all the way down here, then we got to the level of resistance. Now a whole bunch of noob traders are going to be looking for sells. They're going to be like double top. And what this is going to do, this is going to break through the resistance when people least expect it. So when people are taking those sells, or right when it gets here for the first time, it's just going to swoop past it. And because, bro, breaking these resistance levels are always so hard to catch. I'm not saying that they're impossible to catch. I'm saying that they're never just the easy, oh, we're at resistance, retrace one more time, hit the SMA, oh, we fly. Like, it's not like that. That's not gonna happen. It's a little bit of a dick and balls formation. I agree. Oh, let's not do the 2% curse. Yeah, dude. Every fucking challenge we start where we start down. All right. So the challenge that we're going with this time is going to have to be a 50K challenge. It's totally fine. What I do like about this challenge is that we're going to have instant payouts. So it's going to be pretty cool to be able to actually try to catch a trade on live stream and try to get the payout right after. That will be fun. That will be something worth watching. My 100 pips stop loss have been working well on GU. Wait, has or hasn't? Stop loss serving me well on GU. Oh, it is. Man, GU 100 pip stop loss. That sounds wild. Wild. This looks like it's supposed to keep on melting. What about GJ chat? What are you guys thinking? Are you guys thinking, is this a ripple fib? Ripple fib as in this is the one level of resistance and we have ascending levels of support? Or do you guys feel like this is the beginning of a melt, retrace a little bit? Okay, melt again. This is then we play out like that little bit of a 90% rule, little ascending wedge reversal pattern for shorts. I want to know what you guys think. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish, if you guys are bullish on GBP, JPY. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish. I have not made up my mind yet. It kind of looks like it's. You guys know how I felt about trading at these support levels. Like, for example, this support level right here gets touched again. I'm expecting it to get broken. Right now, it bounced. We bounced from it. I can't deny that. But we definitely, if we do come back down here, I'm very bearish. And then obviously, if we do come up here, I'm very bullish. That's without being said. Now, the trick is trying to make sure that we're in the correct position with the noise that's being made right there. But I think up to the moment, I might be on the buy side. It just looks really ugly on that other time frame. And then when it comes to gold, I'm also bullish on gold. Like, I would not be taking sells on gold, not even if goddamn Mother Teresa herself come down and told me to. There's no chance of taking sells on gold. So now it just comes down to a waiting game of trying to find the correct opportunity to be able to hop in. Yeah, it's pretty crap volume. I'm not going to lie. I don't want to give that out there that early, but yeah, it is crap volume. All right, so we have gold as one of our favorite pairs. So clean filters, all. What you doing, bruh? XAUUA. Which one do I do? The pro or the normal? Chat. XAUUSD Pro. I'm using a leveled up. I'm not sure what the difference is though. Let's see. 2680. 2680 37. 2680 27. Chat, which one do I use? The pro or the normal one? I use the pro. 1827. 1820. They're exactly the same. There's absolutely no difference. Leverage 200. Spread, same spread. Yeah, they're exactly the same. All right, I'm gonna go with the pro because we're pros. So how do I favorite this? Add to favorites. All right, what else do we need? We need GBP, GPY. Pro? Which one am I going with again? Which one did I choose last time? I'm a duck. This one, it looks like it has lower spreads. Yeah, we're going with pro with both of them. Yeah, I was looking at the spread. The spread's the same on both. Boys, what do you guys feel about leveled up traders? I mean, we don't have a lot of people that talk any bad about leveled up traders, but we usually don't have anybody that talks about anything good about leveled up traders. So I'm going to give you guys a reason and why to show you guys that, man, instant payouts. And I mean, the only negative part about this is that we have a 45% rule, but nonetheless, that's supposed to help you at the end of the day, chat. Like, we're not supposed to be trying to go for half of our account fucking profit target in one trade. So what this means is that you can't make 45% of your profit target. And so we basically have to get maxed out like at I have no idea. I actually don't know what the consistency rule is. Like, I do know, but I don't know, you know? It's like one of those things. All right, it's totally fine, chat. But we are going to start a new challenge pass series today. Also, we're going to connect this account to the Trade Zella. You guys have any idea how the fuck I do that? So we could have the Trade Zella there for us. Well, this is from our other account. We need something a little bit more. Daily journal, dashboard. Well, might have to do this somewhere else so I don't fucking expose anything. My manage accounts, trade locker. I don't want to clear the account trades. My account, trade locker. Why can't I delete the account? Fucking hate this shit, bro. All right, I got it, I think. Broker, trade locker. 1 second. Bro, I have no fucking idea how to do this shit. It's so annoying. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick, chat. All right, I think I figured it out. Is this a two-step? Yes, it is a two-step. So it says add trade, broker sync, add new broker. I don't even know what my broker is, bro. I gotta take this off the screen. Oh wow, GG's still going bullish. All right, I'm doing a chat. LVU PRP. Almost done, chat. I apologize. All right, I did it. I did it. It says that it's syncing. It's syncing. Oh, never mind. Successful. What do I gotta do here now? Oh, nothing. So what? I go to dashboard now? All right, I'm pretty sure it's connected, chat. Pretty sure it's connected. So we're connected. So we'll be able to see all the data that we do on this account. Now it just comes down to try to start the challenge. Let's try to not start the challenge and draw down, so you guys already know how I go about that. First trade's always going to be 0.5%, so we're going to be risking $500. I mean, what am I saying? We're going to be risking 1%. We're going to be risking $500. Just got a 100K account down 1,500 right now. Jesus. Is it a two-step? Yes, it is a two-step. You can only make 25%. Is the consistency rule? No, more than 3/4 of your daily target. I'm pretty sure it says 40, 30. I mean, come on, bro. You guys ask questions that throw me off. Like, I don't know these bullshit ass rules, and it was on the screen. It's not what you said. I think it's more. The consistency rule that you guys are worrying about or talking about is right here. It's 45%. So I don't know. You can only make 25% of your consistency rule. I don't even know what that means. If you can only make 25%, there's 45%. So whatever it is, it is. But all I know is that I'm going to be reaching 1 to 2% daily. So I don't really, it's not going to affect me. I don't really care about it. Last thing said about it. All right. What I do, Slick, Tony, Super Pro, check spread. Yeah, no, what we got to do is get this challenge started now. I'm liking GJ Longs for it. GJ Longs don't look bad. Now, they're going to take a while to hit, but they don't look bad. Damn, dude, the DXY is falling hard. I wanna put on the dress that all the bad boys like. Let's imagine we took the trade right now. We didn't. We are not in a trade yet, chat. GU longs? Brother, GU's been rallying like a motherfucker. I like GU longs, but GU takes forever to move, and like past this 8 of SMA already, this thing could turn around. Everything could turn around, honestly, right now. Let's just wait for a big, right now there's like a volatility wave that came and then it's dying out, right? It's dying out. We got to wait for it to be completely quiet again. We hop in a trade and then we wait for the volatility wave to come again. Hopefully push us to take profit. Coming back soon, New York Open. No problem. All right, boys, with this new challenge that we have right now, I mean, I know it's a little bit smaller, but maybe it becomes better for you guys to be able to follow along. The last one was a 100K challenge. I mean, how long did it take to actually pass that? I think it actually took like a month and a half. So, I mean, for those who are following along with the process, just know it's 1 trade a day, 1% risk a day. It doesn't mean that we can't close out at 2% profit a day. I'm just saying that there's 1% risk daily, 1 trade a day. So it really, I mean, it really incentivizes us to just try to keep ourselves as accurate as possible and just try to find the most valid setups we possibly can. I'm still holding down my buys on GU. Yeah, if you guys have been in trades, hold them. For example, if you've been in gold longs, hold it. Don't start closing. If you've been in a GJ long, GU long, hold it. Don't just start panicking closing. Do you end the trade? No. No, we are not in the trade on the screen. We are not in the trade on the screen. Whenever we open up a trade, I'm going to be showing it on the trade locker. Of course, I'm going to be executing my trades here, calculating my stop loss here. Everything's going to be on the screen, basically. Every trade that I take on this challenge, every trade, no exceptions. Every single trade is going to be taken on live stream. So that's exactly why we were patient and we waited. This could easily be a continuation to the downside, which I don't want to be a part of. I don't want to try to anticipate it's going to go down when everything's been going up. So if anything, I'd be going for something like that. But definitely would not go for a sell right now, even if it plays out. It's just not my trade to take. I'd rather go with the momentum that's present in the market. Higher probabilities are always going to be there. Damn, dude, it's coming down. Should we take this buy? It'd be a pretty shitty first loss if we do lose, but I like it. I like it. I think we're going to take it, chat. I think we're going to take it. I want to... Whoa, is that the 4 hour? That's not good. Oh, yeah, this is not good. Never mind, we're not taking it. I take that back, chat. When did the 4 hour get like this, dude? When did this 4 hour even open? Bruh. Truthfully, there's one thing that's going to happen with this 4 hour. It looks like it's supposed to wick fill to the downside. But let me tell you, this looks a little bit way too strong to melt. I think that the GJ chat, pay attention to me because I'm being real serious. I think GJ will end up melting, but before we get the melt, we're going to see a pump to the upside. Because this ripple fib formation here is too strong. I see the volatility that's being formed here. Like, I know it's going to pump up right now. I know it's going to pump up. Why don't I take the buy? Dude, I'm terrified. Look at this fucking, I mean, we've been bearish for all, this is 4 hour candlestick chart. Bearish, 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 bearish. So what, now we're going to just expect a random bullish candlestick to come? No bueno. That's why I say sometimes, even if you do understand where price is going, you taking the trade, it's not a high probability trade. Even if it happens super easily and you would have instantly hit take profit, no drawdown, I encourage people to stay away from those trades all the time, because then you start forming bad habits and you start training yourself to think that you could actually win with these bad habits consistently, and then you're very confused when you don't hit your take profit. This is going to explode to the top side. Somebody convince me that this 4 hour candlestick is ridiculously donk and we should just go fucking up with this, because this looks like a beautiful ripple fib right now. We're at the 194,500 on the dot. We look like we're going to pass it to the upside. 30 pips stop loss all the way to 200. Take profit at 800. I mean, what more could you ask for? Bada boom, bada bing. I know your daddy ain't home to ride with me tonight. You always wind up here in a puddle of tears. All right, so if we risk, we're going for a buy, stop loss. I think it's like a 1.7 lot. I don't know. I don't got good math. That's why I'm fucking here home trading. 1.7. Nope, a little bit more. I think we would go like a 1.9. Oh, a little more. Okay, one in the twos. Okay, the 2 3s. Okay, we're talking about like the 2 5s here. Yeah, 2 5 8. $500. I'm doing it, chat. Damn it, it's going without me. I need to stop it. I need to stop. All right, it's at 500 on the dot. I'm taking it. How much am I risking? I want it to be 500 on the dot. 516. We're gonna go with 490. 490. Give me $10 of space. Chat, we're in the trade. We're in the trade. We're in the trade. We're at 500. Entry is at 194. 500. Stop loss at 194. 200. 200. Truthfully, I've lost every fucking first trade of all my challenges. And I'm not saying that just to say that. That's the funny part. I wouldn't even say that just to say that. We're legit here. We're literally fucking legit. But it doesn't matter because this is what the process is about. It's about finding the opportunities that we think are valid, learning how to have strong, confident executions. And then once our strong, confident executions are playing out with like good probability wins, that's when we're just on fire, and then we could just keep on fucking darting it. It's like a pew. Send it. Send it, Paras. Send it. Thank you, Paras, for being so aware and attentive. Paras, how are you, brother? Paras is going to send the signal to the chats. Chat, have I been here the whole time without a goddamn lick of music and nobody has said anything? Does it sound much better without music, chat? Do I really got that bad of a playlist? Bye go bro like Jock. Knock that door like Big. I wanna put on the dress that all the bad boys like. I actually tuned into the live streams. I actually tuned into Daniel Savage's live stream yesterday. I kind of want to see what he was saying. It's funny how I mean, like, I have zero problems with Daniel Savage. I actually think he's hilarious. No, a little foolish, but hilarious. I like it. What I don't like are the fucking yes men around him all the time. Like when you know that you got yes men around you, like, hang around some more girls. Like, you hear fucking telling us on stream you got fucking multiple Lamborghinis and you got a Ferrari out front. Yet you're sitting down with two dudes next to you that literally are just fucking, you're literally sniffing each other's ball sacks. I'm like, damn, bro. You live in Miami. Fucking days look like a stud. I swapped out the mic for the gun. Swapped out the guy for the mud. Swapped out the spice for the bud. Fucking on the dike, I'm a love. I'm fucking with a That's the funny part about Miami. If you're a loser, brother, you're a loser. That's it. Here in Miami, I know what's the funny part? You know how, like, women run the world? He be around girls. Jesus. You know how you be around, what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? You know how girls run the world? Like, you know how, like, people think that guys run the world? Truthfully, pussy makes the world go round. That's the truth about the situation, right? So, what I find crazy is how people think that, hey, I'm gonna go just get rich and I'm gonna be able to get any girl I want. What's the funny part? You could have a Corvette and a Ferrari, and I promise you, about 70% of the girls won't know what the fucking difference of the car is. My point being that here in Miami, what I've learned to realize is that girls don't give a damn about your cars. Like, they don't give a damn. Like, there's just too much of it here already. Maybe in your places where you guys live, yes. Here in Miami, a woman does not care about your car. Now, they have a certain standard of what the car needs to be, but after that, it's like you gotta look like you're Taylor Lautner or Leonardo DiCaprio if you want to be with the top of the top, and if you don't look like them, then you ain't it. Like, your car ain't gonna fix the problem. Brother, believe it or not, they don't. I trust you. Believe it or not, the women here don't know the difference in the cars. Or like, I don't know. Thanks, Paras, for sending the signal these days. That's hilarious. Oh my god, thank you, Paras. Oh yeah, and then what I did also notice about on Daniel Savage's stream is that he doesn't believe at all. He doesn't believe at all that fucking FX Alex G challenge that he did. But he doesn't believe many things. But my thing is, like, I don't know. I gotta find like a professional trader, like a real professional trader that could analyze the situation and tell me what he thinks, like if it's real or not. Because every real trader that I've met up to the moment says it's not real. Like, everybody, like it's impressively concerning. As in, like, literally everybody who has experience in the markets and everybody who's considered a professional trader looks at that situation and goes, I don't think, they just like either don't want to comment on it, or you just see the truth in what they're saying. But then, I mean, we got literally, like, I saw the chat. There was literally, like, I think that most of the world, most 90% of the Forex community believes completely that FX Alex G turned $100 into $1 million or 100 into 100,000. I'm not really sure what it was supposed to be. Bro selling a boot camp for $3,500 per person and 300 people total. LOL. It's the first thing bro did after making $1 million from $100. That's. I mean, it's not a perfect point. You can't really perfectly prove it. Be like, oh yeah, how come he made $100 to $1 million just because, and then he tried to sell his boot camp, so therefore he didn't do the million. That's the perfect word. It's corny, but it's like, bro, it's like one of those things, Chad. How many times in your guys' life has something happened to you that's too good to be true? You think it's actually happening, or you thought it happened, and then you realize it was actually too good to be true. You're like, oh yeah. Like, how many, like, I'm telling you, this is one of those situations where it seems like it could have happened, and that it's obvious it could have happened. At the end of the day, at one point, we're going to realize and be like, that was the biggest fucking complete bull. I don't call it a scam, because it's not like scam. It's just bullshit. That's just what I call it. Like, it's like the same day you guys figured out that, oh, I found my winning strategy. This is too good to be true. I'm going to be rich and profitable off Forex. And then comes down the next fucking 2 days. All right, Just Max, if it's all documented, I will send you the money that you could show me that it is all documented. I'll send you money if you could show me it's all documented, because I see people in the chat put that all the time. Oh, I saw all the trades. I took every trade. Look, that's bullshit, because the last time he did the $100 challenge, I have people that were here following along, and they're like, oh, bro, we lost the trade. He deposited a new money into the account. We lost this and this and that. Like, I literally have people that have followed along with him, lost their money, lost the trade, and then he deleted that trade, put the trade again. So when you're telling me everything is documented, if everything was documented, we would literally be able to see a video of him taking the trade, flipping the account, and then being like, oh, look, this is what my balance is at. This is the previous trade. This is what my balance is at. Look how this is the previous trade. It all matches. This is what my balance is at, and this is the previous trade. If you were not able to do that with all that money you have, with his team is probably over 100 people employed. He probably has over 100 employees. He probably has over 20 cameras. He probably has hundreds of fucking hours to be able to draw. Like you're telling me that is your best way of documenting it, by doing something you could edit and delete on Discord. Like, that's not documenting shit, dude. That's not a documentary. That's not documenting shit. If you had the ability to go 100 to a million, 100 to a million, and you knew that everybody was going to be impressed by it, and you have millions of dollars, you don't think that you could hire one guy to fucking have this, hire a program on your computer to screen record, just figure out a way to make it actually transparent, like where people could not doubt you at all, like at all? You don't think you'd want to do that? Or do you, like, if you're saying you're documenting it, don't you think you actually document it? It's not documented. It's not documented. It's just backed up by a bunch of people that back him up. By, like, for example, by Just Max, and I could be wrong, right? But I'm using him as an example. It's the only people that believe it's documented are the people that are listening to the people that are saying that it's documented, that don't even prove that it's documented. It's just statistically not possible. That's my point. It's just not possible. Like, it's possible, but it's possible if you're allowed to blow your account and redeposit at what you were at. So if, like, you were a cat with 9 lives, or you were a multi-millionaire with fucking millions in your bank account, that you could do it. But for any other person in the world, it's not close to being possible. Or else all the traders would do it. Don't you think Daniel Savage would be like, all right, I'm doing 100 to a million? Like, he's joking about it because he knows it's fucking impossible. Don't you think somebody else would come out and be like, you know what, it's my turn to do 10. Don't you think I'd be like, yo, let's go $10 to fucking 100,000 then? Don't you think a whole bunch of people would be following the wave instead of everybody criticizing?
Outdoor adventures. Stylish, powerful, sophisticated. Because when you're in a Mercedes, you'd expect nothing less. Visit MBUSA.com for special offers on select SUV models.
I'm about to post a story on Instagram saying that I'm taking this account on.
Fried chicken and wontons and teriyaki glaze and an egg roll. Some people think,
boys, here's proof that I am documenting.
Yep, that's why we call it a salad.
This $100,000 account to $1 million.
Zaxby's.
It's not even a $100,000 account. Oh shit, there is an ad in the back. I was on the wrong account. I wanna put on the dress that all the bad boys like. No Diddy. Bro is a genius marketer. Boss. I don't know if I know the lyrics correct. I don't think that's what that says. It says something like that though. Push! FX Alex G reminds me of an island boy. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I was thinking of the Island Boys. No way that gold is going to keep on going up, but GJ isn't.
me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. If she catch me cheating, I won't never tell her sorry. Porsches in the valley, I got Bentleys, I got Rarries. Taking pain pills on the plane, getting charged. Popping tags, I was starving. Bitch, I got the juice and the carbon. Turn a 5-star hotel to a trap house. Roaches everywhere like we forgot to take the trash out. Plug my cross with ice, getting money, my religion. Got my baby mama and my side bitch kissing. I turn the wrist into a lean house. This the 6th time getting kicked out. I can't feel my face, I'm on auto raw nauseous. Niggas tryna ride my fucking wave, now they salty. Running with the wave, get you killed quick. Shoot you in your bag like you Rick. But Mexico with no life to afterlife, my whole life.
Of course I'm in this trade, Arnold. This is a part of the new challenge pass. FX Alex still got 24 Lambo, Bugatti, house, and everything, and we're here talking about him, so that says a lot. I guess that's the way you can look at it as well. We sit down here and talk about goddamn Diddy all day. He got house, Bugatti, cars. We talk about fucking Epstein all day. He got house, Bugatti, cars. We talk about Daniel Savage. He got a house. He got cars. Raul's also 24. Got house, Bugatti, cars. I think the true sadness is the people that actually think that that's what matters. The house, Bugatti, and the cars. The house and the Bugatti and the cars is probably the last thing I would care about. No risk, no Rari. Yeah, nobody said he ain't living life. Look, people need to understand, you're allowed to get criticized if you with the bullshit. If you in the industry, your face is on camera, and you make public announcements and you're a public influencer, you are allowed to receive criticism. Now, people that fucking praise these people are not gonna like the criticism. It's totally fine. That's why fucking Kamala Harris supporters don't like Donald Trump supporters. You know, kind of the same thing. You're allowed to receive all the criticism. We could sit down and talk about him for, especially if he's saying that he brought $100 to $1 million. Especially, and look, I'm criticizing it because it's ridiculously stupid of a claim that I'm confident enough to say it's ridiculously stupid of a claim. And maybe right now we got people that won't believe. Maybe when you go more down into your fucking journey and trading, and it's not even only about trading. You could use the same logic, whether it's in sports gambling, whether it's in anything that you compound money. Getting 100 to $1 million, you just need a. It's literally the only way to do that is to go all in about, like, we could grab, like, I'm not an ITT tech. Grab one of your guys' best engineering friends that you guys know. I bet you guys have really good, smart, intelligent friends that are in university. Grab one of these engineers that actually know how to put these calculations down on paper for you, and that they could literally put an equation out that shows you that it's not possible unless you literally are just like, unless you're literally creating the market, bro. Like, it's just not possible. Statistically, numbers wise, grab a fucking professional to show you professionally it's not possible, right? If it was so possible, why don't you think he's been contacted by the biggest fucking hedge funds in Miami, the biggest hedge funds in the world? If he could trade so well, why wasn't he not contacted by the world, because 100 to $1 million? Do you know the percentage rate that is in less than a year? We have the world's biggest billionaires, people that make Raul and FX Alex G literally look like they're worth nothing, that invest millions and billions of dollars into hedge funds, and for people to keep on trying to figure out how to make their money, make more money. You're telling me they won't be able to have access to a guy that can do exactly, like, it just doesn't exist. It doesn't, people, there's no money multiplier like that. This is like, you are never going to reach a point in your trading career where you could turn $100 into $1 million. It's just not going to happen. It doesn't work like that way. You're going to reach a point in your career where you could trade millions of dollars, make hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit, but grab it from 100 to $1 million. With a scaling plan? you if you tell me it's like with a scaling plan, but like your plan would have to really go by so perfectly well, because still, if you lose any trades that are big, you're just all the way back down to fucking zero. I don't get that. I don't get that. All right, so like, imagine you have $20,000 in your account. How the fuck do you get to 400,000? By 20,000. All right, let's go all in full margin on our account. All right, all in full margin. We caught 10 pips. Our account's at 40K now. All right, let's go all in full margin again. All right, our account went from 40 to 80. All right, let's go all in margin again. All right, our account went from 80 to, we caught a bigger runner. We're at 240,000. All right, let's go all in again, full margin. All in again, full margin. All right, from 240. Like, do you know how many times you have to do that in a row? Like, it's just fucking... What about Q? Then the account was 200K and he was down 90K, and then it's up 700K. How do you believe? Yeah, I believe that. That's more believable, of course. Why? Because 200K could easily be ran up to 400. I mean, not easily, but like, he just went all in on his account. Wait, let me see. He went to, his account was at 200K. He went down 90K and was up 700K. Do you believe that? Even that is a crazy number. I mean, it is a fucking crazy number. You end up like Don Vo, man, account if you try this. Look, the thing is with these guys, look, when you're telling me 100 to 7, 100 to 5, all that is that them putting $100 bet trying to catch $100,000 bet of them trying to catch a 1 to 2 restored ratio, 1 to 3 restored ratio, 1 to 4 restored ratio, and then probably compound on that. And they have the money to do it. Like FX Alex G has the money to go put $200,000 in the account, go full margin, and see if it goes. And if it goes up, then boom, he made fucking, it's going up. And then if it goes, but the thing is, if you go full margin and it goes up a little bit, you're in profit. It goes down a little bit like the charts normally do. The second it goes down into profit, down into drawdown any little bit, you're already behind margin, and then margin stops you out of your trade. So also, not only does he need to hit every trade full margin all in a row, but all those trades can't go into more than like fucking 10% drawdown of your stop loss. It's just like, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I guess we'll get over the topic, because I guess we're just gonna go in circles. But I promise you, it's one of those things that are just obvious, and maybe for a lot of you guys, it's not obvious now. You guys are like, oh, this guy's a fucking hater. Watch. Stick around to trading for a couple more months. Stick around to trading for a couple more years, and at one point, you're gonna look back and be like, I can't believe I fucking believe that shit. Like, you're gonna be like, I can't believe I was actually believing that shit. Like, I promise you, bro. He was in drawdown by 90K and he held the trade for 3 days. Yeah. I mean, I've seen Q Banks do crazy stuff like that, and I've seen all those guys, whether it be FX Alex G, Raul, or I've seen them all go crazy and fucking win hundreds of thousands of dollars on a trade. Of course, if you, the only way, I've taught this before, the only way to make large amounts of profit on your account is to have large amounts of profit in your fucking bank. There's no other way. There's no other way, chat. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Forex is not like that. There's very, very few people that could do that. It's kind of like the same way you were to bring, I don't know, I always use an example as going to the casino. It's like saying that there's people that know how to go to the casino and come out multimillionaires. No, there's people that know how to go to the casino and they come out with a lot of money. Why? Because they had a lot of money from the beginning. Now, 1% of people that go, maybe less than 1% of people that go, have a little bit of money, they go crazy, they get wild, keep on going all in, and I don't know where they just 5 times their money, maybe 10 times their money. But to fucking bring their money, $100 to $1 million, how come we've never heard somebody at the casino? The casino's been around for a long time. The casino's been around, but nobody talks about bringing $100 to the casino and ending up with $1 million. Trading is the same fucking thing. It's just risk to rewards. You can't win every trade. There's no laws in here. There's no law. There's no if A plus B equals C, then you get D. There's none of that. So there's no 100% of the time this happens. It's just randomly based, as in sometimes the setup wins, sometimes the setup loses. You got to use your risk to reward and probabilities to your favor. No, the casino's been around for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, but nobody hears about the guy entering the casino with $100 and walking out with $1 million because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't happen like that. The only way in trading you're gonna start cashing out $20,000, $30,000 payouts is when you fucking have enough to be able to have an account that could handle those amount of payouts. You know, it's I always tell you guys, so I always tell you guys, like, keep the job that you guys are doing, because you guys need to be able to fund your trading career. You can't just become a trader, think you're professional, and then be like, I'm gonna fund my whole trading career through trading. It's not gonna happen. It's not. Now, you could consistently have $10,000 in your bank account, have $1,000 account, and that $1,000 account, you could get it to go to 2,000, withdraw 1,000, get it to go to maybe 1,500 again. Maybe you're fucking beast enough that you get that $1,000 account to go all the way to 6,000 to 7,000. Now you doubled your net worth. If you open up a $20,000 account or a $10,000 account, you need to do that again, and it just becomes way too crazy until if you blow an account, you're done. So, like, my point is, the only way you get those big profits is having big money. There's nothing that exists where you're just gonna be able to just have a $100,000 account and start cashing out $30,000. Craziest account build? I've never had a crazy account build. My biggest payouts have always been, my biggest payout, I've told you guys before, it's $12,000. It was $12,000 on Smart Prop. I've gotten, not hundreds, but I've gotten a lot of fucking $10,000, $12,000 payouts, $9,000, $8,000, $5,000. I tell you guys, my live accounts, I always go for 2 to 3%. I always make 3% of my account and cash it out, buy another one, scale up that way. It's never been something. For example, when I made my client $27,000, I'm not sure exactly how much money I took, but those were all from, every payout was probably about less than 5%. Less than 5%. It was about 4 or 5 payouts, and I made this girl $28,000. How much would that be so far that you have made, like, in our last few payouts? Look, she's like, do I request the second 6 payment, like for 2/6? That's February 6th of this year. I'm like, all right, yeah. And I wanted to know. I was like, hey, how much have we withdrawn already? I mean, I kind of already did know, but I wanted the screenshot. She said 28,000. I got 30% of what 28,000 is. So I think we made like 40,000. No, maybe like 35,000. I probably kept 7,000 from that. And point is, $35,000. I didn't do it in one payout. I did it like in 4 or 5 payouts. Maybe even more. I have no idea. I don't recall. Biggest payout that I had off one, which was a long time ago, and I could do it again. I just don't. There's no point of me. Like, for example, I have an account right now that's live with up $2,000. I could go try to risk this $2,000 and try to go to for 12. But even if I make the $12,000, first of all, my life doesn't change. Second of all, you build that habit to try to go for it again. At the end of the day, you're just gonna end up blowing your shit. Been doing that for 12 years. I've been working a night job since London in my open, doing graveyard shifts, and now it's finally paying off. Yeah, 100%. You need to be able to fund that funding career until you be able to find consistent payouts, and then I don't know where you're realizing that your trading career is being able to pay you out more than your actual other jobs, but you still, and then from there you still need to find a way to be able to compound that trading. It's not as easy as it sounds, even if you're hitting trades, even if you're a professional trader. That's what I'm saying. It's the rich that make a lot of money. And it's not to downplay trading. It's not to downplay you can't get rich off trading. It's to show you the guys that trading shouldn't be a way to get rich. Trading should be a way to help you be financially free. Financially free does not mean being rich. You don't need to be rich to be financially free. I am nowhere near means rich. I consider myself very financially free. You know, there's a difference between that. It's about, like, being able to understand how to live, you know, how you want to live, bro. Live how you want to live. If you guys want to be in a Bugatti and a Lamborghini driving down Miami and that's what you guys are chasing, fucking chase it. The sad part is about when you get there, you might realize that that's not really what you wanted. And that's what I learned about fucking being friends, because I was friends with Daniel for a long time also. I was friends. I'm really good friends with Raul, and I got friends that got fucking shit tons of money. You see the sadness in it also. You know, they think that they want to be there. They're like, oh, I want to get there. 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 I want the Lamborghini. I want the Lamborghini. I want the car. I want the car. I want the car. They get the car. They get the Lamborghini. The happiness lasts about fucking like 2-3 weeks. Maybe after a month it goes away. You're kind of like, oh, okay, back to square zero. Like, what am I looking for now? At the end of the day, what makes people happy is family, women, kids, dogs, and not have to stress out about bills. You can't ever forget about that one. Probably one of the ones that we all are out here. What is your craziest account big? How is Dr. Dollar? I have no idea. I've not talked to Dr. Dollar in a long time. Agree, exactly. It's common sense. The real thing is that they are millionaires anyways. It's crazy that they're millionaires. It's not that they're just a millionaire or they got 2-3 million. They're literally millionaires. Like they got multiple millions. That's crazy. It is crazy. All right, a month. What is your goal in terms of trading on your account from payouts and clients? What? A month? A month. What is your goal in terms of, I don't know, 20K? 20K keeps you alive. Because 5 to 10K a month in Miami does not keep you alive. You'd be sleeping on the street, bro. I don't know how it works in your household, but in my household, the goddamn man pays for everything. So even if I make money, I don't even got money. It all just goes out the fucking door, truthfully. Fucking my wife wants to buy. My wife already went and bought Christmas presents for all her family. She's like, oh yeah, I was out and I was just like, oh, and then I saw this could be a perfect Christmas present, so I decided to just buy the Christmas present for my sister, for my mom. We have one for my uncle. We have one for this. I'm like, damn, bro, it's not even fucking Christmas, not even close to Christmas yet. Can't like let me like, you know, like rack up my money and then we buy some fucking presents. She's like, no, is that I thought we'd get everything organized. I'm like, oh my god. So now we got Christmas presents for everybody at the house. She was like, my wife spoke to my mom, and I have family that's coming over from South America, and we're gonna have like a big fucking dinner. And then my mom was like, oh, I need you to help me, or she told my wife, well, I need you to help me organize like how we're gonna get like tables and like how we're gonna like organize everything so it's a nice party for Thanksgiving. Here Americans celebrate Thanksgiving. And then my wife's like, hey, I think we need to rent the tables. I'm like, how much are the tables? She's like, it's gonna cost you like $700. I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, we need 4 different tables. They need to be rented for 2 days, this and this and this and that. I'm like, bro, but I'm not organizing this party like my mom is. And she was like, no, but your mom told me for me to organize it. I'm like, yeah, to organize it, not to buy the goddamn tables and rent everything. And she was like, no. She was like, no, you know your mom. If she told me to organize it, that means I'm gonna have to get it. If I'm gonna have to get it, that means you're gonna have to get it, or else we're not gonna. And then apparently I gotta pay for a whole bunch of tables now. Big pack of Zins for you. Dude, what's up with this fucking GJ trade? I'm scared that it turns around on us. Talk about no volatility. Shit, should have been with gold. Man has to hustle to pay everything. Ugh. Or like yesterday, it's funny, we laughed in the car. I laughed with my wife because there was like a red light and I was like, fuck that, and I took the red light and she goes, you pay. I was in her car. She goes, you pay. And I look at her and we both start laughing right after because she goes, you pay anyways. She was like you pay anyway. She was like, you pay. And I was like, yeah. Fucking, I didn't even have to say anything. We started laughing.
One-on-one bitch, they 10. One-on-one never again. One get the cake in the butter. I count it like hustle the money all in. Rhyme in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk you can hear. And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W due for a win. Fucking this bitch in the orgy, I'm having this snow bunny pull up her legs. Fuck on my dummy, you don't see how I'm coming, don't tip me, I'm right on the edge. Guinness is young and I've been had to shoot out some money all under my bed.
How to choose the right girl?
Cold, my body cold, I took a little egg.
I honestly don't got the right answer for that. And finding a rich baddie anyways. Oh, you're finding a rich baddie anyways. I think the right girl is the girl that knows how to put up with your bullshit. If you have a girl that knows how to put up with your bullshit, I think that that at what point is gonna beat all the other attributes she has. Small titties don't matter. Small ass don't matter. She could be goddamn. No, I'm just kidding. There's a couple things that do matter, but point is that she, as long as she could support your attitude and she could support you on a day-to-day basis, like handle you, fucking. Because us men are fucking crazy. So as long as they can handle us, that's the most important thing, no? For example, when I want to go play golf, I'm out the fucking door. I'm gonna go play golf. I can't have a woman that's gonna be telling me you can't go play golf. My woman would tell me sometimes you can't go play golf, and I tell her, look, it's exactly what I don't want. You cannot tell me that you can't go play golf. Just because you're bored all day doesn't mean I have to be bored all day, okay? I'm gonna go play golf because I love playing golf. You're not gonna stop me from doing it. I don't stop you from doing anything. You're not gonna stop me from doing anything. So like, she could put up with that. Like, I understand that I need to spend some time at home with her, and that I've been home all day, and therefore I could have gone and played golf earlier. But then again, I didn't. Put up with it, bitch. I'm not being with a flat chick, bro. Hey, girl. How? I need to use the restroom. Dude. At one point, we were looking so good on this trade. Now it looks like we're going to go through some fucking drawdown. I don't know if we should hold it. Oh, my God. There are others, guys, boobs, and ass matter. Bro, oh, this fucking way that this is gonna happen to me like this. Is this a new hourly? I think we should be fine, honestly, chat. I honestly think we should be fine. Let me use the restroom real quick. Ow, my back. I'ma blow clouds of the smoke. Pardon me, pardon my soul. I crack a spot for the bowl. Hey, niggas, they eating in broad day. In that whole mouth like a cold gate. Yeah, keep it a cold case. God, please keep it a cold case. Man, I don't want no new friends. Forgive me for all of my sins. I don't wanna think about losing. All I wanna do is put 20 inside the sea. I pull up on you and I pop at your key. I pull up your pocket and pop at your feet. I hold out the coupe and no friends with the bitch. And I turn up the show. I 100 says it again, I put the V-net on my chin, without the radio, it's 20 a show, and that's for sure. Get that back end, bitch, we buying dope. That's how it go. Like amigo by the free van. That 44, I could cook the dope with no stove. Pot on the floor. Pull up in that coupe shit, nigga, like down where the roof went. In the streets they call me JC, little bitch, I got the blueprint. Little nigga, I want no old hunters, you know I want no blue strips. And I can't fuck you old hoes, I'm ballin' with my new bitch. Yeah, you did that, 200,000 worth of change, and that's a fact. Built my name in this rap game, I'm selling crack. Recipes to OG Double D, you did that slide. I done put 20 inside the seat. I pull up on you and I pop at your key. I pull up your pocket and pop at your feet. I hold out the coupe and no friends with the bitch. Since I was a young and I've been getting the door. I came out back in and I turned up the show. I 100 says it again, I put the V-net on my chin, Shoot out the coupe. Shoot out the roof. Shoot out the roof. Pull up a smash on. We don't gotta put a bag on. I took your hoe, you did. I told her hoe to sit. Had big bells, midget. Now you can't say I ain't got millions. Swam with sharks, water. You be law and order. 12. I be getting money every morning. Tom Joyner. Heard you getting money, but you paying them niggas extorting you. You pay for your fame and fortune. You
pay the neighbors to pick up the dope on their porches. So I came from nickels, my niggas don't know you, we do not fuck with you. I've been in the system, I've been in the pickle, you did me like shovels, I gotta fuck with you. I done put 20 inside the seat. I pull up on you and I pop at your key. I pull up your pocket and pop at your beat. I hopped out the coupe and no friends with a bitch. Since I was a youngin', I've been getting the door. I came out back in and I turned up the show. I 107 again, yeah.
I'm back. Damn, bruh. There's no way to just delete this? That's fucking stupid. I'm about to just erase everything from the chart. This is not good.
My diamond be dancing, living the mansion. My life is love. Ain't no more loyalty. Now your West off hate her loyal. She could get up with 20 inside.
What to do, Patrick?
I pull up on you and I pop at your key. I pull up your pocket and pop at your beat. I hopped out the coupe and no friends with a bitch. Since I was a youngin', I've been getting the door.
Ah, this is not good, chat.
Came out back in and I turned up the show. I 107 again, yeah. I put the V-net on my chin, yeah.
I'm working on mine.
Penny X. Riding with my demons, I could take name back. Riding with my demons, then my dealing twins. Money make them do something, put them in a trance. A whole lot of more inside that motherfucking building. Whole lot of motherfucking money in this building. Oh, my demon call me and they call me. I say, hey, yeah, riding in this motherfucking skate. I say, hey, yeah, riding in this motherfucking years. I say, hey, yeah, pulling up and beating on the ass, making, hey, yeah, diamonds on my motherfucking body. I say, hey, yeah, where you think I got this fucking money? I say, hey, yeah, all this fucking money brand new, you can smell it. I walk my jelly and lay on me, I'm a yeti. All the fucking money in the world, still not enough, yeah. All the fucking cash I'm winning, spend, I still ain't body. Sailing class, never bitches, bad bitches, not dead. I'm on this yacht full time, you got it one day. Don't get it confused, I'm running my blues up. Hopping inside of the building and whipping and spitting that motherfucker clean it up. Shrimping and dabbing, I'm yanking that bitch on the side, the motherfucker eat it up. I give a fuck with the same, that motherfucking rest and fast, I heard enough. Shut up, bitch, yeah, heard enough. All of these motherfuckers bad, that motherfucking snitch, motherfuckers slurring up. Heard that they wanna come beef with the kid and they body be spilling, be turning up. I just be wanna be geek in the middle, this guy had the private jet, ain't not enough.
Yeah.
I can't end it up.
Yeah.
Some of them motherfucking lying and some of these lying and some of these sad enough. Half of these motherfucking rappers copy my swag, I'm done playing dad and son. I'm already up in the space, this motherfucker done, cause I already done enough. Riding with my demons, I can't take nothing back. Riding with my demons, then my dealing twins. Money make them do something, put them in a trance. A whole lot of more inside that motherfucking building. Whole lot of motherfucking money in this building.
Alright, my bad for the science, boys. I mean, just noise, man. We haven't really moved. Just noise. We don't want to get tricked out by the noise and just hop out the trade because we're scared. Come on, it's 30 pips, brother. Give it to me. I'm not even asking for a lot. I actually think we're looking good on the trade.
Rico's going crazy again.
Look, I like my bitches red bone, ass fat.
You got a 50 pipper on gold. To the upside or downside? I like to the upside, believe it or not. Oh, you got 50 pips on gold. Like, you already closed profit. You were in the long? I thought you meant like you had a 50 pip stop loss going. Tell the previous song name ASAP. Previous song name is called No More Talk by Yeet Music. No More Talk by Yeet. Y-E-A-T. Perk got me in my feelings. Alive, love money. Walk got me in my feelings. We boot it, we get high, we do drugs all the time. So bitch gon' fuck, up and let's get it. Squawk got me in my feelings.
I like my bitches red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello. I'm the king of New York, mellow, black hair by the Regis Apello. Ask around, niggas know me. I'm a year boy, you know me. I like my bitches red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello. I'm the king of New York, mellow, black hair by the Regis Apello. Ask around, niggas know me.
Euro AD, I'm waiting for a nice sell confirmation. EURAUD. You're waiting for a nice sell confirmation. Like, so what I kept on saying earlier is that even if you do understand that there should be maybe a retracement, even if it does retrace, I don't think you should be taking that trade. Why? Because this trade will play out, let's say 20% of the time, 10% of the time. So even if you hit this trade, you will train yourself to start trying to look for trades that are not the most valid. This, you should be looking for longs. Why? Because things are just rallying. It's, you know, you have a higher probability chance of catching a trade going with the momentum, not against it. So, I mean, I love people, but yeah, I mean, it's still wick filling everything right here. That's still, we have to wick fill all that. And then tap this maybe. Fucking hey, bro.
Codeine crazy. Yeah, pour and bubbly, pour and bubbly, pour that bubbly, pour that bubbly, pour that bubbly.
This is getting annoying.
Hear me? Pour that bubbly, drink that muddy, when we covered it. Yeah, I'm covered in. I was dugging it, I was just loving it. That's for the muffin it. That's for the other bitch. That ain't for you, dog. That's for the other niggas. That ain't for you, shot. That's for that other bitch. I'm going crazy about it. I'm going codeine crazy. That's how we living it. I'm feeling lovely. I'm drinking bubbly. Take out my problems and drink out the bottle and fuck on them all, yeah. Out of my this now the coronavirus is a royal Cardi, yeah. Don Perignon, I get done from a grown, I can show for the round. I pull up with my rounds, I pull up out of town. I could rep your town with them girls and them pounds. I grew up on the grounds with them dealers and hounds. We order more bottles and fuck on more models and pass them around. I say everything triple time. Roll it AP, you blow triple time. I just know the ones to call upon. I just had to pay my dog a bond. Looking at me like a triple threat. Every time a nigga talk a check, smoke the cushion like a
All right, need some volume on GJ, bro. We need this ASAP.
celebrate like the championship. Celebrate like the championship. Celebrate like the championship. Celebrate like the championship.
No! Fucking dude. Feels like I can't fucking win a trade on live stream right now. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's people talking outside or some shit?
I just took a bitch to eat at Chipotle. Spend another 60,000 on rolling. All my diamonds got your brain washed. She saw my nigga got my brain washed. And for that shit, she got your
I hate that 4 hours so much. We were on this 4 hour candlestick before. New 4 hour candlestick opened up at 9. We're so fucked. I'm just kidding. Me losing my last 3 trades on every single trade that I lost the last 2 trades. It just opens my eyes to more and more to think like, dude, even like I wonder if there is a motherfucker that could go out there and actually make $100 go to $1 million by just knowing literally every single time it's gonna go down, up, down, up. It's like a fucking game of like, it's like, you know those little fucking game shows where there's like 2 steps and you gotta choose what step, and then you gotta go to the next one, choose what step, and you gotta go to the next one, choose what step. It's like, feels like they just ran through that shit and chose every correct step. Fuck charts, bro. Yeah.
All this motherfucking money got me cooking crazy. You thought I forgot about us? I know that you know I don't fold under pressure. I'm back on the road, I get low on the pedal. We live by the codes of the ghetto. I'm closing this out with my memo. I'm treating this shit like a demo. I'm putting my heart and my soul in this shit and some more. I'm in that Dolce Gabbana. I might get out the Madonna. I get it crack in the summer. Strapped in the leg in the Hummer. Front of the paint in my pocket. All this lingo gotta pay this to driving. Fuck the fame, I'm sipping lean when I'm driving. All this cash in it ain't nowhere to hide it. I'm an addict and I can't even hide it. Don't you pay the panoramic companion? They was trying to serve me at the arraignment. Never coming on and never complaining. I'm taking everything that come with these millions. I'm taking everything that come with my children. Yeah. Oh, that bubbling. Train that muddy, bro, we covered it. Yeah, I'm covered it. I was dugging it. I was just loving it. That's for the muffin. That's for the other bitch.
I got you an LT.
That's for the other niggas. Ain't for you shy. That's for the other bitch. I'm going crazy about it. I'm going codeine crazy. That's how we living it. I'm feeling lovely. I'm drinking bubbly. Codeine crazy. Codeine crazy. All this motherfucking money got me codeine crazy.
So I'm tired of not being in profit. I want to make some money. Damn, this looks like it's supposed to fiddle the downside. I'm so scared. Go to higher time frame. There we go. That looks better. Chat, I'm getting bored here. Fucking hate low volatilities. I'm actually Alright chat, I'm actually not closing out early on this trade, and we're not closing out. I mean, we're gonna close out literally at take profit. So I'm gonna set my take profit. I'm gonna set my stop loss. Oh, take profit already set. Set up 500, 47, 504. Let's just put it at 800. My take profit is at 194,800. Oh.
They gon' make you nail him. My nigga got life. He call every day. I don't know what to tell him. I can't help my nigga. We gon' get more time than murder. They catch us with this shit we sellin'. We gotta be low. Y'all went from high school to college. We went from babies to felons. Nigga, I didn't really survive. Everything needs
stop loss 216.
I've been through the mud. Almost gave up. I done survived. Everything these streets offer. I've been caged up.
New York session just opened. Gold should be moving now. Up. Come on, GJ. Go up with us. Fucking redonk. Hell yeah, Prod. One of the real ones. That boy Prod. Fucking. Yo, Prod, when are you gonna get the live account? The boy finished off his challenge yesterday with the trading days. Like a beast. Man, that's what I need. I could easily pass challenges. For example, Prod, your account got passed in 2 days, 1 day. Because there's volatility. It wasn't that I took no fucking... It wasn't that I took more than fucking 5 different trades. Literally, I just took one fucking trade. I knew that it was a higher probability trade. And so you just throw a good lot size and let that bitch run. I've been able to do that shit. It's so funny on everybody's account. Everybody has to make like 8% nowadays, and I keep on going to 10%, and then they keep on telling me, "Yo, bro, you passed it like 2% ago." That's what happened with Prod. Prod had to close out one of my trades earlier because I fucking I was trying to go for too much. All right, chat, but let this trade play out. Let this trade play out, and I mean, we'll come back to. We'll go back to the Discord and oh, well, maybe not. Maybe let's just wait a little bit longer. I'll wait a little bit longer. Let me stretch and walk around real quick before I freaking.
Take down Megan Stallions by the group type shit. That's some thick shit. I just thought you knew type shit. I just tricked off, I don't just usually do this type shit. Pockets racked up, all blue type shit. Bunch of rich niggas, hoes get confused type shit. Atlanta nigga, live like Ted Turner type shit. On camera, bro, knockin' jaws loose type shit. I cancel her, kicked her out of school type shit. A silent hitter, I just keep cool with you bitches. A silent nigga, count dog food type shit. Moving through the city with your boo type shit. She ready to suck it up like soup type shit. You going against the guys and you gon' lose type shit. Pray to God they knock you out your shoe type shit.
Yo! It's fucking charts, bro.
Serotonin, that's a cool type mix. Oxycontin mixing with the blues. Houston, Atlanta, feeling like a zoo type mix. Shawty, strictly taking shrooms. Eating all the perks on some food type shit.
Motherfucker, I should've just gone with gold. I should've just gone with gold. But typically I thought gold and GG would move in the same direction, so it wouldn't make a difference. But no. But no, not today. God, I'm so sick of these charts right now. Can't catch a break, bro. Can't catch a break. I'm like, ugh. I'm trying to control my anger.
Cook a nigga up like food type shit.
Push up with my dogs, Scooby Doo type shit. She gripping all of my balls, I got a moon type shit. Thomas they cover my flaws, I ain't had to brand new type shit.
All right, chat. We're not gonna close out early. We're gonna let the trade play out. I'm gonna friggin'. We're not taking another trade, but we're gonna. You already know the stop loss. You guys already know the take profit. So for those who are following the challenge with me, make sure you guys have that take profit. Make sure you guys have that stop loss. And let's let this trade play out patiently without us getting ourselves too stressed out. So let's step away from the charts, chat. Love you guys. I know that we have people following along, so I mean I know I have a duty to come here every single day and perform. I'm gonna make sure that I do that. I'm gonna make sure I do that. I'm gonna make sure that regardless of what happens with the first trade, regardless of what happens with the second trade, that point is that we stay alive. Very simple, very easy thing to do. Just need to come back here and be focused. I believe it's gonna play out. I think also it's gonna play out. I just don't want to go through the roller coaster ride if not. I'll just let it play out. Rather just let it play out. And yeah, for those who are following along, I'm glad you guys are following along. I'll make sure to really put an extra effort this time so we do really well on the challenge pass. Much love, big love, homie, big love, Prod YB, big love, Slick. Baras, thank you for sending the signal. Thank you for being here. Baras, much love. Much love, Xandar. We'll keep on talking in the Discord, chat. I love when we talk on the Discord. It's like we're texting all day each other, so it's like we're like a little big community. We're still bullish, continuation candlestick bullish, so I mean we're looking good, chat. Don't panic your guys yourselves, just relax, hold the trade. Remember, one trade a day, set and forget. Boys, I love y'all. Thank you guys for joining the stream. Literally, thank you guys always for joining the stream. Thank you guys for supporting me through the bad, supporting me through the good, supporting me through the losses, supporting me through the me talking shit about FX Alex G's $100 to $1 million, supporting me through all that, boys. Truly appreciate it. Whenever you guys want to say anything, you guys have the. You guys could obviously message us in Discord, message me in Discord. We talk after. All right, peace out, boys. Love y'all. Absolutely love y'all. Peace out, boys. Bye.
Poppy outside, and he got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real oppy outside. I'ma drop this shit and have these pussies dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can look me in the eyes. I despise when I see you, better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survived. 5, beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga dies.
Keep blickies, and you know the weed sticky. My finger itchy, the Glock like to leave hickeys. Your shooter's iffy, a street punk can never diss me. I come straight up out the six and we don't spell sissies.
I fuck with her, and fuck with her, and her. I hit up her, tell him do the for sure. Voodoo curse, it got him while I flew the Turks. Know the dogs had to hit him where we knew it hurts.
Gang shit, that's all I'm on.
Yeah.
Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Let it bang bang, let it bang bang, till his brains hang, and his mama sing, and the pastor sing, and them bullets sing, and them choppers sing, and the choir sing.
I'm on everything. Jacob charged me $450 for a tennis chain. US Open had it on us at the tennis game. Tell the coach don't take me out, I like to finish games. And my pen insane, and my men insane. There's like 80 of us now, that's a scary thing. Shit they doing on that other side embarrassing. We in Paris with it, 100 carats with it. All this shit is for my son cause he's inheriting it.
The young Metro don't trust you. I'm gonna shoot.
Gang,
Metro!
gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga. Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah. 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 How much money you got? 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 A lot. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these thoughts. Every day that I'm alive, I'ma ride with this stick. I'd rather be broke in jail than be dead and rich. Told my brothers take my breath if I turn to a snitch. But I'm 21 for L, ain't no way I'ma switch. Penitentiary chances just to make a couple bucks. My heart so cold I could put it in my cup. Game versus the world, me and my dog, it was us. Then you went and wrote a statement and that really fucked me up. My brother lost his life and it turned me to a beast. My brother got life and it turned me to the streets. I've been through the storm and it turned me to a G. But the other side was sunny, I get paid to rap on beats. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these thoughts? A lot.
Yeah. I just came from the A. I drove back home. 6-hour drive, 6.5. stopped by and seen my nigga 21 in the studio. He had 2 of his kids with him right in the studio. That's when I knew. Stand up nigga, I love seeing shit like that. Question. How many faking they streams? Getting they plays from machines. I can see behind the smoke and mirrors, niggas ain't really big as they seem. I never say anything. Everybody got their thing. Some niggas make millions, other niggas make memes. I'm on a money routine. I don't want smoke, I want cream. I don't want no more comparisons. This is a marathon, and I'm aware I've been playing a bet from a lack of promotions. I never was one for the bragging and boasting. I guess I was hoping the music would speak for itself, but the people want everything else. Okay, no problem, I show up on every one album. You know what the outcome will be. I'm betting 1,000. It's got to the point that these rappers don't even like rapping with me. Fuck it, come my nigga 21 Savage just hit me and told me he sent me a spot on a new record he got. He called it a lie. I opened my book and I jot. Paper Takashi, they wanting a rap. I picture him inside a cell on a cot, reflecting on how he made it to the top, wondering if it was worth it or not. I pray for Markel cause they fucked up his shot. Just want you to know that you got it, my nigga. Though I never met you, I know that you special and that the Lord bless you. Don't doubt it, my nigga. Dennis Smith Jr., stay solid, my nigga. I'm on a tangent, not how I planned it. I had some fans that hopped in a band and shit when they thought that I wasn't gon' pan. Now I got a plan. They say the success is the greater revenge. Tell all your friends, call on a mission, submitting the spot is the greatest that did it before it all ends, nigga.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these thighs? A lot. Take a dive. Put away my pride. Shoot my shot. DM I slide. Yeah, I slide. She in front, but she used to be my side. We take selfies now. I used to in her life. But for the fame, plan B was robbing banks. Be a married man right now. I just can't. All the love they gave me knew that it was fake. Mama loved me so much either way. I'm straight. I done seen so many handshakes turn to hate. Seen so many BF turn SNAK. Tryna snake. Death before this sun tatted on my face. Way I run that checkup should've been with Chase. Started at the bottom, the trenches, the gutter, so I had to go a little harder, straight up. Lights was off, the gas was off, so we had to boil up the water, straight up. Been through some things, but I couldn't imagine my kids stuck at the border, straight up. Flint still need water. Niggas was innocent, couldn't get lawyers. Oh God. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done doubted you? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these thighs? A lot.
Black Beatles in the city, be back immediately to confiscate the money. Wow. My will.
Sent flowers, but you said you didn't receive. Like Will Smith. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get in. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the knee. Getting so gone nothing to explain. I'm a fucking black beetle, cream seats in the Regal, rocking John Lennon lenses, like to see him spread eagle. Took a bitch to the club and let a party on the table, screaming everybody's famous. Like clockwork, I blow it off, then get some more. Get you somebody that can do both. Like Beatles got the babes belly rolling. She thinks she love me, I think she trolling. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the knee.
Came in with two girls look like scribbles in they real clothes. A broke hoe can only point me to a rich hoe. A yellow bitch with green hair, a real weirdo. Black man, yellow lamb, red like dope. They say they grew out, them just came in through the side though. It's so much money on the floor, we buying school clothes. Why you bring a money machine to the club for? And a pint of lean, pound of weed, and a kilo. I Euro stealth pass, I hate her like a rondo. I upgrade your baby mama to a condo. Like Chapo serving yayo to the gringos. Black Beetle club clothes when I say so.
That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the knee. She's a good teaser, and we blowing reefer. Your body like a work of art, baby. Don't fuck with me, I break your heart, baby. I break your heart, baby. D&G on me, I got a lot of flavor. 1500 on my feet, I'm trying to kill these haters. I had haters when I was broke, I'm rich, I still got haters. I had hoes when I was broke, I'm rich, I'm still a player. I wear leather Gucci jackets like it's still the 80s. I've been blowing OG kush, I feel a little sedated. I can't worry about a broke nigga or a hater. Black Beetle, bitch, me and Palmer gun related. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the knee.
Mike Wilmer.
Shining hard, go we back up. Rose gold, bring your neck up. You know the longest time trying to check us. Papa X feel like a Malcolm.
I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them off, I need help. I got some bad things I want to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy. I'm on one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me. No baby, your collection won't stand for it. You know you're in a relationship with all us. I get a few texts that day saying it's all yours. I got a few states on speed, they're like good drugs.
Get in your bag, yeah, get in your bag, whole new price for bread, come to the street, new jazz, turbo bitch by the drag, nigga had M's for ass, got a brand new bitch, who that, rock flood AP all black,
White toes give me a 10, cocaine kill it 10, all the kind. I made you a starter. You went from a down to a quarter. I Chico the project. I leave in that loud an apartment. Yeah.
No bill to start it. I'm ready to spoil it. She sucking my dick. I'm hiding in the closet.
I'm hot in the moon. 3 bill in the room. You get silver spoon. I bought you some spoons.
Johnny hard, go we back up. Rose, run your neck up. You know you gon' get stopped trying to check us. Papa X feel like a Malcolm. Yeah.
I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them off, I need help. I got some bad things I want to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me. I don't do jet skis, give me the yacht please. I made you queen status, check out my lean status. I'm in relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I put my dick inside her mouth before she left.
Yeah, I built relationships with all my bitches, yeah. I put my dick right in her mouth before she asked. I got your bitch in a backpack. I paid extra for the crib, it got a key, shit.
I paid extra for the crib, it got a game room. Got a penthouse in the back, it ain't my main room. Tamika, Joe, and Portia kept it silent. That's the only reason I let them fly private.
Johnny hard, go we back up. Rose, run your neck up. You know you gon' get stopped trying to check us. Papa X feel like a Malcolm. Yeah.
I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them off, I need help. I got some bad things I want to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me.
Niggas was getting tased, bitches was popping pussy by the front door, niggas was throwing chairs, everything was going down. 50,000 people. Helicopter! Twin shit right here. Real twin shit right here. You gotta know about it.
Jump out at the show, jump out at the show. Had to turn my bro, yeah, had to change the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah, they smacking head to toe. About what you saying, yeah, just shut up and let me go. Riding in that bill, let that tongue control. Ride around these bust down watches on me, I got my blinking tongue. Head number one up on these chart, yeah, it's stuck at one. All we do is just go number one. And I just brought in some ends, little bitches the first of the month. Ryan, I'm in the game, little bitch, I'm mature at the city, I'm afraid of the sun. I went and paid in the Benz, I switch shit up, I wanted it, nobody done. Hold on my face, my family, my coat, my brother, my slime, my twins, and my mom. I'll give a fuck what you saying, I don't listen to it, I don't wanna hear about none. In the whip got 2 or yeah, bro, right shirt, yeah, what they calling them up. I'm about to bring this shit back and wait from the top at the time of the month. I'm about to do it again, better do it again, better shit with a song. He gon' talk to rap, he gon' talk to beats, he gon' talk to Schmitz, he gon' talk to the lid. I'm just what you saying, you already heard I said. You got big boy downs on me, he got big boy bread. I don't give up about the coupe, yeah, play the bitch on test. You don't even make no money, it don't make no sense. Ain't a shirt the coupe, I'm about to trip it again. Jump out at the show, jump out at the show. Had to turn my flow, yeah, had to change the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah, they smacking head to toe. About what you saying, yeah, just shut up and let me go. Riding in that bill, let that tongue control. Ride around these bust down watches on me, I got my blinking tongue. Head number one up on these chart, yeah, it's stuck at one. All we do is just go number one. And I just brought in some ends, little bitches the first of the month. Ryan, I'm in the game, little bitch, I'm mature at the city, I'm afraid of the sun. I went and paid in the Benz, I switch shit up, I wanted it, nobody done. Hold on my face, my family, my coat, my brother, my slime, my twins, and my mom. I'll give a fuck what you saying, I don't listen to it, I don't wanna hear about none. In the whip got 2 or yeah, bro, right shirt, yeah, what they calling them up. I'm about to bring this shit back and wait from the top at the time of the month. I'm about to do it again, better shit with a song.
been dissing on the squad, we left his man sleep. Ducking silver bracelets, be precautious when the fed sweep. I want that brand new Bentley with the red seats. My pops was there for me, so I'll be damn, I'll be a deadbeat. When you said you love me, girl, you scared me. I'm faking smiles, I'm hurting inside, I can't let my fans see. They hear me talking, but I don't think they understand me. Checks and deposits, young niggas swimming in them bands deep. Head on the swivel, opposition like a block away. Teeth grinning off them X pills, so how did I can concentrate? I'm Tum gang, no IDK, cause I don't think that's smart to say. Rock out with that tech might make a nigga do the Harlem shake. Make sure that grass low, keep your pole, and always watch the snake. Be careful who you trust, cause they'll cross you like Tim Hardaway. Impatient in the slums, I couldn't afford to let my mama wait. Long distance relationship with God, so it get hard to pray. You can't really plan what's meant to be, I think they call it fate. Like, girl, I love you, but it's only so much I can tolerate. Like, girl, I love you, but it's only so much that my heart can take. Like, let's give it a rest, girl, I just wanna give my heart a break. I heard he been dissing on the squad, we left his man sleep. Ducking silver bracelets, be precautious when the fed sweep. I want that brand new Bentley with the red seats. My pops was there for me, so I'll be damn, I'll be a deadbeat. When you said you love me, girl, you scared me. I'm faking smiles, I'm hurting inside, I can't let my fans see. They hear me talking, but I don't think they understand me. Checks and deposits, young niggas swimming in them bands deep. Fees stay like 200 racks, but the price keep going up. I'm the hottest out the rack, they don't like me blowing up. Back against the wall, no one to trust. Ain't no limit in these streets, can ride a bike, you old enough. Gotta fight, no folding up, like pay the price, you know it's up. And when they say who winning, bitch, act like you know it's us. From the soil, you gotta share the same skies to roll with us. Saying smoke, then roll it up. Off the act, I'm pouring up. It's cracking where I'm from, watch what you throwing up. Just reckless gang banging, no big homies over us. Infatuated by dollars, yeah, on that guap, I got a crush. Been racing to millions, the money talks, give me a rush. I heard he been dissing on the squad, we left his man sleep. Ducking silver bracelets, be precautious when the fed sweep. I want that brand new Bentley with the red seats. My pops was there for me, so I'll be damn, I'll be a deadbeat. When you said you love me, girl, you scared me. I'm faking smiles, I'm hurting inside, I can't let my fans see. They hear me talking, but I don't think they understand me. Checks and deposits, young niggas swimming in them bands deep.
They told me to frost, rainbow face. They hope I fall off. Ain't no way. I might be alright, but it ain't okay. Niggas got left, niggas went right, I went left and stay left, and ain't nothing the same. They run their lips. I put my purple and stepping my foot in the pedal of rain. Spinning shit like I'm ahead of the game. You say they gon' drop and it better be flame. Lil' mommy gon' top, she gon' suck till I'm drained. My top 5 top in love with her brain. Her girls to see. Hatters and making those grease, man. Love me in Spain. Her kick and pee. Land on the jet with a bitch with a big body frame. Just like a biker, rockin' black. Margiela Loaf was the one with the lace. Put up the title, yeah, right. Hope that these little niggas really wanna race. I got that fire, I spit crack. I got that face, gon' recite what I say. Came in a ladder, this ain't no threats. This a blue Scotty, I smoke to the face. Made it to the light, they still throwing shade. I was locked up taking chips for a train. Turn the box, made more than minimum wage. These blue hunters keeping my mental straight. Talking that got in the middle of the day. Ain't no human being determine my fate. The more I get it in, the more they gon' hate. That lit by the beans, I know what you pay. Yeah. Don't tell me I'm on one tonight. Yeah, yeah. Don't play with me, play with a mic. She psycho, we stop at the light. These rappers, they copying right. Get dressed and pop out in the night. Too trim, I got them enticed.
Told him I was gonna be some. That broke shit made me sick, big appetite with a weak stomach. Ain't had nowhere to go, nigga, I was lost in them streets running. And I hit Rodeo just to get stylish, ran through 300. Just happy I did it, nigga, nobody ever gave me none. Flexing so hard, I might pull a muscle, but I just keep stunning. 30 in the mag, you get body bagged, I'm just gon' keep dumping. Police get behind me, I'ma press the gas, I'm just gon' keep stumping. I'm just gon' keep stumping. Plotting on the come up, we was scheming. Now I hit the stage and they scream. I was trying to cope through them hard times for them X bills, I was fiending. Got a bad bitch, honey skin tone, pretty long hair, she believes. Trying to tell you, girl, I can't love you, I'm a cold-hearted little demon. Dysfunctional, I can't show affection, might bug up for no reason. Really, you don't even gotta be here, I done got so used to people leaving. You was riding for me, then you switched up, now it's fuck you and I mean it. Couple situations left me traumatized, now I say less cause I'm speechless. If my brother needed, then I got him, and the whole gang know how I'm bleeding. Trying to wake up from them nightmares, devil in my ear while I'm dreaming. In my past life, did some bad things, I know karma trying to get even. Trying to get away from all that drama, hopped in the Benz, now I'm speeding. Told him I was gonna be something. That broke shit made me sick, big appetite with a weak stomach. Ain't had nowhere to go, nigga, I was lost in them streets running. Then I hit Rodeo just to get stylish, ran through 300. Just happy I did it, nigga, nobody ever gave me none. Flexing so hard, I might pull a muscle, but I just keep stunning. 30 in the mag, you get body bagged, I'm just gon' keep dumping. Police get behind me, I'ma press the gas, I'm just gon' keep stumping. I'm just gon' keep stumping.
Who can try stealing my formula? These niggas corny, these niggas can't come on my corner. I'm the one do what I want 'em. I make the guy spin that bitch every day like a corner. With all the platters for me cause she wanted one. These niggas nothing like me, I ain't one on one. Set the belly 400, I pay the button. You ain't scaring no one with no gun in this bitch. Everybody go dumb in this bitch. Niggas holding their mama. Bitch in the hood like Obama and shit. Presidential tent, no telling who win it. Ask around, I bet they tell you we winning. Different foreign cars, ain't none of them rented. 100 million cash, I'm coming to get it. All the Cali, but my mind in the trenches. I ain't about the boy to play his position. Run it up and show love to my city. Never leave them, I'm bringing them with me. Keep it glizzy, it's going in with me. I can't let them get me. No time for bullshit, I'm sorry, I'm busy. I'ma go hard till I'm 40 or 50. Niggas be talking, but they never do shit. So if it ain't money, I don't
Told
even
him I was
listen.
gonna be something. That broke shit made me sick, big appetite with a weak stomach. Ain't had nowhere to go, nigga, I was lost in them streets running. Then I hit Rodeo just to get stylish, ran through 300. Just happy I did it, nigga, nobody ever gave me none. Flexing so hard, I might pull a muscle, but I just keep stunning. 30 in the mag, you get body bagged, I'm just gon' keep dumping. Police get behind me, I'ma press the gas, I'm just gon' keep stumping. I'm just gon' keep stumping.
We be throwing money in a spiral. Every time your girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass, do the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tightrope. I be blowing up like some pyro. Coupe 150, call it Cairo. If she left with me, she the right hoe. Man, she riding me like a BMX. Man, she said the D is for Dino. I got two horns like a rhino. There's no way you could buy hope, but I brought a mansion with a slide though. Yes, I opened up the slide though, so you can hear it hit the high note. All I know is you do it, 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 you do it. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Foreign girls in they tens, I can't choose. Foreign car got the 10, I can't cruise. Got different color on my diamonds, I can't even see the time. I don't wanna see her face, I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the red, I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K, it was quicker than a vine. I was swinging from a vine, tryna pull me down but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying, there's no reason for the cry. We the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying. Know my boys that be riding, yeah my door's suicide. Side note, you will never reach my goals. I be walking with a slime nose, and I'm also walking with my side hoe. Only time I be walking when I'm on the moon, so I feel like Michael. I was talking to my little slime, that's a little lizard called a Geico. In reality, I'm 5'4", stand on my money now, I'm 6'6". Hit her once, now she dismissed. Can't fuck her sister, make her leak dick. 40 already make my hip dick. When I see her op, make the clip hit. Aiming at his top, boy, you need a mop. Man, I'm going out with a vengeance. My pants, Ralph Simmons.
My shoes, Rick. Young girl did my tartar sauce, so she ate my dick like a fish stick. Hit it raw, yes I am a dog. I don't do this shit for no image. All my diamonds, they be hitting hard. Try to play me, boy, that's a scrimmage. I got different color on my diamonds. I can't even see the time. I don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the rib. I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K. It was quicker than a vine. I was swinging from a vine. Try to pull me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying. There's no reason but a cry. We the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying. Know my boys that be riding, and my door's suicide. It just go any day now. Michael Montana, they beat it from cake out. Got frost in my diamonds, I'm getting the cake now. I stay on your stomach, low bitch, when you lay down. Leave it up, cause you can go any day now. Michael Montana, they beat it from cake out. Frost in my diamonds, cause I got the cake now. When you on your stomach, low bitch, better lay down. I'm so up and I can't turn it down. They counted me out, my whole life turned around. Clean up my diamonds, you know I got rented. Know my boys coming, you know they be busy. That advance that you waiting for, already spent it. When I'm on the beat, man, you know I'm gon' kill it. We be throwing money in a spiral. Every time your girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass, do the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tightrope. I be blowing up like some pyro. Coupe 150, call it Cairo. I got different color on my diamonds. I can't even see the time. I don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the rib. I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K. It was quicker than a vine. I was swinging from a vine. Try to pull me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying. There's no reason but a cry. We the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying. Know my boys that be riding, and my door's suicide. You do it. 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 You do it.
Lil Metro on that beat. Love for that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you again. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you again. Look cold that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you again. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. They sending all my homies on a mission. And I ain't tryna miss out on these millions. I chucked about the red, call that baller red. I get in the girl I want, in the girl I want. She want me to say today, but I ain't got a cake. She wanna see me every day, she wanna be my baby. That money make me come and make me fornicate. On this shit, I need some toilet paper. Follow my player rules and we gon' be okay. On the real, I need a bitch who gon' cooperate. Love for that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you again. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you again. Look cold that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you again. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. They sending all my homies on a mission. And I ain't tryna miss out on these millions. I told you niggas I was gonna be that fucking nigga. Everything be good until you doing better than them. They wanna see a nigga shot, see me in the system. All you niggas out here poison like snake venom. Codeine in my liver, rockin' Balenciaga denim. I'm booted even when I'm sober, I don't need a jiggle. They sending all my niggas on a fucking joint. I told that baby to come over cause I'm fucking horny. My mama told me, keep these niggas, son, keep it going. I'm thug to the bone, but I'm still her favorite boy. Look who that boy, they hate to see you in a porn. They miss when you was in that Yoda kicking doors. Look who that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. Look who that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. They sending all my homies on a mission. And I ain't tryna miss out on these millions.
Hey, I'm in the studio, bro. Oh, no, you ain't called me, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I'm at the studio. Hold up, though. I ain't get to roll no weed. I ain't get to roll no switcher. I was locked up on Christmas. I ain't get to see my niggas. I ain't get to hug my mama. Couldn't even give her no kisses. Can't even post on my Instagram. Could he pussy nigga be snitching? Everybody acting suspicious. Might probably say that I'm tripping. When I'm all alone in my jail cell, I tend to get in my feelings. And all I smoke is that loud. Don't pass me no midget. And I'ma smoke all of my pain away, cause that's the only thing that gon' heal it. I don't understand you women who go around pretending as if they really fuck with me. So I love them all from a distance. Cause the same bitch say she down the ride, be the main one who trickin'. Got Molly mixed with promethazine, cause every time I wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. AK-47s, Mac 11s, Glocks and 9s, and all these pussy niggas hating, trying to knock me off my grind. But I can't let them do it, I got murder on my mind, bitch, I got murder on my mind. Bitch, I got murder on my mind. 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 Yellow tape around his body, it's a fucking homicide. His face is on a t-shirt and his family's traumatized. I didn't even mean to shoot him, he just caught me by surprise. I reloaded my pistol, cocked it back and shot him twice. His body dropped down to the floor and he had teardrops in his eyes. He grabbed me by my hands and said he was afraid to die. I told him it's too late, my friend, it's time to say goodbye. And he died inside my arms, blood all on my shirt. Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. AK-47s, Mac 11s, Glocks and 9s, and all these pussy niggas hating, trying to knock me off my grind. But I can't let them do it, I got murder on my mind, bitch, I got murder on my mind. 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 Bible Terrestrial. Bitch, I'm an animal. Melly's a savage, no, he not no amateur. Bad bitch named Angela, fucked up on camera. Bitch, I'm a murderer. I might just kill the boy, don't wanna kill the boy. Bake him up, say he won't beef, we gon' grill the boy. I'm bleeding so red, I might dip his ass in it and spill the boy. Murder on my mind. Oh, I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind. Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. AK-47s, Mac 11s, Glocks and 9s, and all these pussy niggas hating, trying to knock me off my grind. But I can't let them do it. I got murder on my mind, bitch. I got murder on my mind. 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 Murder on my mind. Oh. Young nigga world, bitch. Oh.
Tell you touch shit. I'm a thief for the night. I did some wrong, but I'm always right. So I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night. Look, if I call you babe, you babe for the day, or babe for the night. You not my wife. She wanna kill her, so fuck all night. I wanna fuck on her thigh, give me head all night. AP, big rocks, in the hood with the realest. 5K on the dinner, bring 300 down to the dealer. I did some wrong, but I'm always right. Said I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night.
I'm rich, but I'm riding. I'm low on exotic. I'm about to fly out and go get me some. Nothing ain't sweet. All this money on me. 100 rats in the bag. That's 100 bun. Baby OG, I've been running these streets. Got the game full of shine on my mama's son. Learned about the triple cross when I was young, and I know I ain't going, so I keep a gun. I flew to Paris just to buy some Dior. She begging for attention, I don't see her. CIP pop, I wish that you can see us. Million cash plus whenever I go real. I got some niggas in the street won't beat me. I got the industry trying to beat me. I just go Ray Charles, they can't see me. I'm in a Rolls Royce with a
did
Remy.
some wrong, but I'm always right. So I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night.
Yeah, like a thief in the night. I pull up, give it deeper tonight. Tryna fuck in the VSI. We can't fuck up my seats cause they white. I'm living like Thriller, I only come out at the nighttime. She don't fuck with liquor, don't like being tipsy. She don't do the Henny, just white wine. Pop the cork on some new Pinot Grigio. I pull up in the Porsche with a freaky hoe. Park the Porsche and pull up in the Lambo. I hop out, Major Payne, rockin' camo. Then she cute, make a fuck, let a man go. Like to shoot, light you up, bitch, I'm Rambo. Cuban link full of rocks, it's a choke. Rest in peace to the pop, make me smoke you.
I did some wrong, but I'm always right. Said I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night.
won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke with me? Nigga, who won't smoke with me? 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 Nigga, who won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke with me? I'm tryna fuck a nigga lungs up. They be like, no, don't put them damn guns up. Fuck that. Say big brother, bring them guns out. Wanna smoke? We get the spinning while the sun out. I ain't never lacking, I pump gas with my gun out. Scream out what's happening to get the bus until it run out. All these niggas hiding like what they got, it ain't no fun out. 762 big as hell to knock a nigga lungs out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick your dope, get on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't make no noise, I'll eat your face. 9, 10, 11, we ain't gon' say that, then we won't fuck with Jake. I'ma kill 14 niggas if 13 bitch niggas play. I think my Draco might be gay. Why? Cause he blow niggas. I just got a brand new lolly. There's a faux nigga. Call me an auto yes man. I don't know niggas. You can send your best man, you gon' lose your best hitter. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? That's how I step on niggas. I step on you bitch ass niggas.
They be on my page like Slav Vaughn, I know they trolling me. Outside with y'all big homie be on, I keep the folks with me. Got it back in blood, y'all just don't know that's how it supposed to be. Caught him for a feature just to kill him cause we know he's sweet. Who the fuck is that? Bro, go check the door, look out the window, don't forget the strap. I be on they ass when I see ops, I do forget I rap. I be on this shit wherever I'm at, I learned that from the rap. He gon' drink whatever nigga sell him just to say hi. They be like he wasn't even with that shit whenever a nigga die. Mercy won't gon' always lie to y'all whenever a nigga die. Send a nigga stable as they check just to keep y'all quiet. Bro, no stump his ass. Better do what Nardo said, cause niggas die from pumping gas. Why you act like that shit so exclusive, bitch? That's public ass. Can't no nigga we don't fuck with come around, we stump his ass. Nardo voice, creep up out that cut, we like shh, shh. Nardo voice, catch it before he run that gun on shh, shh. Hey, who you kill? Steady talking like you did a drill. We gon' kill you sober, who done told you that I need a pill?
Real deal stepper, put my toe on that boy. 21. You Mickey Mouse, bitch, you went and told on that boy. All my guns come with a switch, cause I'm fucking rich. I don't type no tweets or throw no fists. Get shot in your shit. Old nigga steady tryna diss. Fuck up off my dick. Caught him leaving bingo with his bitch, and we sent the blitz. Nardo tryna fight me by the stick. It's his turn to blick. I can't even roll my ass and shit. Pussies don't exist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Niggas mad I fuck they hoe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pussies that got hit with this K. 9, 10, 11. Fuck 12. Ain't got L's, we on the chase. 13, 14, 15, 16. Hollow tips, they hit his face.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Hit that little bitch front or back.
Pest control, who called by rats?
Who won't smoke with us? 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 Nigga.
I be with real killers. I'm a rapping street nigga. Copy, paste, delete niggas. Can't wait till we see niggas. Who won't smoke is free. All the oppas sweet swisher. Hop out middle of the street, hit him. Soon as he fall off his feet, kill him. Been out all week. Scene 3 RIP pick. My shooters all eat. You can tell that we richer. Pull up, ball and swish. Been on all the hits. Now I'm all legit. Shout not a wick. Bitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck the ops, them niggas hoes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slamming race with GDK. 9, 10, 11, 12. No man still ain't go to jail. 100K checks in the mail. Put that away just for bail. All the crack we used to sell. Auntie house still got the smell. Fans be negative as hell. Fuck that shit, I just prevail. AR hold 100 shells. Aim that bitch, shoot everywhere. No limit, I never care. Spin a block, they never there. Plus, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Cost a fucking check. Bah! Touch my fucking neck.
Big brr. Brr. Hey, 30. Hey, 30. fur. I'm in this car that go so fast that it came with some merch. I go get free shit out the stove cause I'm fucking the clerk. He was talking gangsta on the net till we found where you work. I can get you whack for a little cash or a couple of perks. Took a nigga pole shots to why you do that though. Hey, I'm from South Memphis, we brought up in gorilla mode. If you don't deserve it or won't shoot it, we gon' let them know. I'm trying to break down the Cuban and add me some GG4. Let's go. Thought we was gon' ride the SRT, I got that whole lip. We just threw a party on your block, it didn't include a gift. I'm smoking exotic to the foul, I'm gon' burn my lip. I'm having shock lotto mixed with power, 115 a zip. But stay so close to me that you would think we neighbors. But that pussy not what he supposed to be cause his mama raised him. We had a clear shot on his head, but I think God saved him. You never walked up, hit your man, you probably never grazed him. Hey, I'm a real gangster, this some shit you can't rehearse. My pocket used to hurt, now I get racked to spit a verse. God bless me with some accuracy on the day I was birthed. Every time we get the drops, I'm the one who go scope it first.
I'm in the field with choppers, you can't come up on that turf. And I'm from Kill Branch, we known for killing killers first. A customized chopper, thought I scratched them with a nerf. I'm starting sliding, I shot my third victim out of vert. I had a Glock 4, I lost my virginity, these nigga envy me. 100 shots out my infinity, my ops remember me. 15 shots in my FN, I call this bitch my enemy. Bitch talking about matching energy, bitch it be killing me. Dope coming from where the Spurs play on where the birds lay. I just ran up 30 and this ain't shit but my third play. Reach for the EVV, we let off shots right where the turns play. Knox be out on Tuesday, so we pop back out on Thursday.
Chopper stay so close to me that you would think we neighbors. But that pussy not what he supposed to be cause his mama raised him. We had a clear shot on his head, but I think God saved him. You never walked up, hit your man, you probably never grazed him. Hey, I'm a real gangster, this some shit you can't rehearse. My pocket used to hurt, now I get racked to spit a verse. God bless me with some accuracy on the day I was birthed. Every time we get the drops, I'm the one who go scope it first.
Play that shit on TNT. D-Mac on the fucking track.
Taj Money.
Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite, yeah. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up to heaven on them white stairs. Why I can't just pull up to your crib and see you right there? Nobody love you till you dead, that's when they might care. Let's just be friends before we rush into a label. Wanna know if you really for me, girl, what's your angle? It's only for the better if I'm trying to change you. Loving me ain't easy, if you leave, I don't blame you. Trauma got me fucked up, so I'm mentally unstable. I got wrapped up in my emotions, now I'm tangled. Deep in my thoughts and overthinking can get painful. Watch how I move, a wrong decision can be fatal. Hidden messages, conversations with my angels. Just walk with me and you will see I'm trying to save you. Most times I'm by myself, I'm still confused from betrayal. From rags to riches, shit still hard, I'm just on phase 2. Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite, yeah. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type. Ray know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up to heaven on them white stairs. Why I can't just pull up to your crib and see you right there? Nobody love you till you dead, that's when they might care. Living on his own and he running out of options now, cause he feel like he couldn't be himself at his mama house. Hidden licks, missing school, junior year, he thought about dropping out. Him against the world, 40 on him when he popping out. On this dark road, he just trying to find a proper route. Hate the criticism, he uses music to block it out. By his auntie, he was molested as a baby boy. Messed up his head, it even changed the way he played with toys. Up late night rapping and they told him to quit making noise. Stuck in his feelings, he been spending every day annoyed. He wanna stand over a nigga, leave his face destroyed. He miss his hood, now it's something that he can't avoid. Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite, yeah. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know
life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up to heaven on them white stairs. Why I can't just pull up to your crib and see you right there? Nobody love you till you dead, that's when they might care.
Nothing from me. I did some things and gained nothing from it. I was locked down with it, but them chains on me.
Great John on the beat, by the way.
Look, I'm about making money, laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't there, can't get nothing from me. I did some things and gained nothing from it. I was locked down with it, but them chains on me. Mama, just pray for me. I know you stressing, just wait on me. Mama, just wait on me.
You know they ain't show no love to me, some gon' look up to me, nigga, but fucking I'm coolin'. Ain't had no back for me, say you feel bad for me, I got the work and I moved it. Charged like a battery, demons they battle me, I got some pain, I might lose it.
I got some pain, I might lose it. I got some pain and confusion. I got some niggas who sentence like essays, I put all their names in my music. Pain that we put in, never let them tell you that you can't, no you couldn't. Me and you could never be the same, no we couldn't. Then my mother rich, seen a chance and I took it. Sky was all black, never wished on a star. Plenty proud of me now. Boy, you so dark, how you shine like a star. How you shine like a star. Boy, I'm about making money, laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't there, can't get nothing from me. I did some things and gained nothing from it. And I was locked down with it, but them chains on me. Mama, just pray for me. I know you stressing, just wait on me. Mama, just wait on me.
I bet they don't know how I'm feeling. I bet they ain't realer. Look at my eyes, you could tell I'm a driller. I looked up to them killers. Taking drugs, I hope these perks don't kill us. In my perk, no filter. Look, I want that new whip out the dealer. Get my mama a couple of grand. I gotta move quick, can't stand up. Been through shit that you won't understand. I got some bruises, won't heal up. I just hope I get better again. Say you gon' do this, you gon' do that. I ain't never see you do a thing. Gun in your head, son, like a do-rag. Feel a wing, we bustin' your brain. Look,
ain't gon' bustin' them things. I feel like an animal, no one can tame. Rather the fortune and fame, but you can get fortune without all the fame. Don't get split like a fraction. Me and my dogs bite first, get the yapping. Remember days loading up magazines, now they see us, we all up in magazines. I'm about making money, laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't there, can't get nothing from me. I did some things and gained nothing from it, and I was locked down with it, but them chains on me. Mama, just pray for me. I know you stressing, just wait on me. Mama, just wait on me. Wait on me.
Mixed signals, they're killing me. I don't know what you are, but I know what I need. The goodbyes, the hellos, I need you, no I don't. Every time I start to close the door, you knock, and I let you in. Loving you is my greatest sin.
Sorry I missed your call, I was on the jet. I've been so zoned out, trying to figure out what's next. So scared to fail, I'm calculating my every step. Gotta watch my back and keep my scrap, but nonetheless, I think about you when I'm gone. Wishing I can hold you. Probably home, wishing someone come and love you how they supposed to. I hope you see this letter before it's too late. I hope chasing my dreams don't get in the way. I blame my struggles and my uncles for my hustling ways. I'm waiting in Michigan right now, looking at real estate. Lord knows I wanna lay it down hate you, then I love you, can't blame you. She said I love you, but don't trust you, can't change you. I just hope we don't end how they do, crash and burn on the shade room. Screen runner, gotta stop running sometime. I'm in your city tonight, and these lights make me feel so